Introducing the AutoVH2i by FPTech, an advanced controller designed to manage your composite work with precision. Built for serious makers, engineers, and workshop professionals, it protects your most valuable equipment, your vacuum pump and heater. But more than that, it helps you improve quality and control. With accurate monitoring and adjustment of both vacuum and heat, the AutoVH2i allows you to fine-tune your process, even when working with compressible core materials. The built-in timer and stopwatch functions also let you record process durations for repeatable, consistent results. Inside the box, you'll find the AutoVH2i controller, a high-quality power cord, and 2 socket adapters for South African power with a 3-pin and a 2-pin socket. You'll also get a durable temperature probe and a short length of standard 6mm polyurethane hose for quick connection to the unit's vacuum sensor. The controller's main function is to manage your vacuum pump and heater within precise limits. These limits are easy to set directly on the unit or through the mobile-friendly web interface, whichever is more convenient. To protect your equipment, safety timers are built in for both vacuum and heater operation, ensuring they never run for extended times should a leak or other fault occur. Wi-Fi setup allows the unit to connect to your local network, making control from your phone or PC easy and accessible. If internet is available, the unit automatically syncs its internal clock and allows the download of firmware updates when released. Settings and monitoring remain safe even during power loss, thanks to an onboard battery backup. The AutoVH2i by FPTech. Smart, safe, and simple. Purpose-built to help you do better composite work every time.